Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Kia Optima with a dead key. First, find the hidden physical key within your key fob. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, locate the smart key slot, usually found in the center console or glove compartment, and insert your key fob there. This method bypasses the need for a working fob battery, getting you back on the road quickly and easily. Finding the smart key slot is crucial for this process. In many Kia Optima models, you'll find it conveniently located within the center console, often near the cup holders or under a small cover. Alternatively, some vehicles might have it tucked away inside the glove compartment. If you're unsure, a quick check of your owner's manual will provide the precise location for your specific model, ensuring you can proceed without delay. With the key fob securely in the smart key slot, you're almost ready to go. Now, firmly press down on the brake pedal. While keeping the brake pedal engaged, simply push the engine start button as you normally would. The car's system will recognize the key fob in the slot, even with a dead battery, and allow the engine to ignite. You're now ready to drive, even with a non-functional key fob battery. After successfully starting your car, remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible to avoid future inconvenience. It's also a good idea to keep a spare battery in your glove compartment for emergencies. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This method is a lifesaver, but preventative measures are always best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.